Where did this come from? There's someone to lift it, so I don't have to be the savior here.
वाह, क्या एक्टिंग कर रहा है?
You know, for content purposes. When the camera is off, I don't really care about the world. It's just that for some footage and some content, you need to perform at your best. The price you pay for salvation. Okay, someone's been working on the roads. That's good for a start, but please try to end it. Today is a pleasant morning. I hope the traffic is pleasant as well. I really hope. And it's not. The traffic is as brutal as it can get. Okay, it's not that bad, okay?
A few inches later.
Say that again.
This turn is not supposed to be taken, guys. If anyone doesn't know, I'm not gonna talk about that. But if anyone doesn't know, there's an exit to the highway and an entry to the highway. This was the entry to the highway, and the previous one was the okay, my bad. This was the exit to the highway, and the previous one that I passed was the entry to the highway. And you don't exit through an entry, and you don't entry through an exit. I mean, you know, you get my point. I'm very bad at explaining things. But for Indians, if there is a way, if there is empty space, it's both exit, entry, parking, celebration, everything can happen in that place. You can race, you can stunt, you can do anything on earth and get away with it very easily, without any consequences. I should stop speaking now. Yeah. Quick question. Imagine yourself in this situation and tell me, where do you think should I go? Should I go तो दूर की बात है. Where do you think do I have the scope to go? ये भाई साहब ने तो उम्मीद ही छोड़ दी है रोड की. He's off to exploring new opportunities away from the road. I mean no disrespect to this old man, but sure, I am young, I can sacrifice a little space for you. But where do you want me to go? Do I fly over your head? Honestly, I really would if my bike had that feature, but right now I can't. Whatever I do in life, मुझे इतना confident बनना है life में, to be willing to take risks like these. And cherry on the top is the helmet he's wearing. Now I won't go into the how much money he has debate. You may have nothing to lose at this age, but I'm not prepared to see the inside of your skull if you're willing to take the risk like that. Please don't do this. Not for me. Do yourself a favor. Enough people have died this year already. Don't hurry up. That was close. It was at this moment he knew he f***ed up.
हमने अपना काम कर दिया, अब आप अपना काम करके दिखाओ. आपकी पावर है, तो जो भी प्रोसीजर करने आप प्रोसीजर करा के अब आप करा के दिखाओ ना, जैसे हमने करा के दिखा दिया. परेशान हो गए हम लोग 2.5 साल से, ये भी परेशान हो गए, हम भी परेशान हो गए. करो फिर.
Hey guys, never mind.
Abort mission.
I don't give a shit.
अरे आओ ना फिर.
The hell, dude? Yeah, understood. Roger that. Copy that.
Hello there. I don't give a shit.
Just look left and right. Just go dive in. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. How lucky am I? The heck, dude? Don't just shove yourself on the street. Damn! The Mercedes G-Wagon. That sounds so f***ing sweet, dude. It's a beautiful sounding machine and beautiful look as well.
एकदम hot है.
Calm your horses, buddy, and look in those mirrors. It's not that difficult. And also try and indicate if you're turning. Just 3 things and you're good to go, actually. It's not just men that are disgusting. There are a few women in this world that exist. Should have gone from that side of the road. A mistake again.
Bonus.
I just have the choice to make of which pothole to go through. Potholes are going to be everywhere. No matter how much I try to dodge these, they are my life now. And I have to accept them. जैसे भी हो, जो भी हो, मेरे ही तो है अपने.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakara